Oh, look at that. One of my favorite cakes.
Yeah, good.
Give me a cup. Here, watch mine now.
Oh, look at this. I remember those.
You found a box? Right by Ace Shoot the last line?
I know. I don't have any more. You know, my dad said those before it was like that. It was years ago. That pain you have to make out. 30.
How you been, Sam?
Lately, half crazy, but I'm
Yeah, box.
That's a beautiful peacock.
But he charged me like $100, $150 a brick. But still good stuff. Like these, he charged me like $100 each. That's a great price. Yeah, I think those are like yeah.
Mine are like.
This is unique because it's a flat.
That's why I was
the way they
looking
did
at
it.
That's very cool.
Throw that on
Instead
the
of
chair.
like, you know.
Haven't seen, never saw these. Golden Toad, Red Lantern. This is a first for me, brother. Oh wait, I do believe I've seen these before. I don't know. What are these? Jumping cat. Oh, okay. Peacock. Oh, yeah. Am I in your way? Invasion from Mars. I had this one time, and it was in I'm gonna say the 96 convention. All titanium bottle rockets. They go up screaming with real silvery tails. It was we heard so much hype about it when we finally found it at the convention, and I think the guy only had one. Like I couldn't even buy two of them. Very rare indeed. Cherish that.
What is it?
You should cherish that. That's an impossible thing.
I got two. This is my second one here.
they're hard to
That's the first one I've seen in since I'd say '95. Ethereal ship. This was like a disc, if I believe. Yeah.
over there. Yeah. How much? Whoever had it marked before had $10 on it. I'll do 10.
I left my bag somewhere. Never seen these before.
Oh, we had a few of these out west.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Never seen that before.
The guy, he had a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I used to work there before.
Yeah. I had them when I was a kid.
I brought some.
All right. It's taking me too long to get to the end of these tables. I'm running out of batteries.
I was so mad at him for them all because didn't bring them all. They're quite I dumped them actually back to the guy who tried which is even and I had the frame so you can walk away from the wall. Never tried them at all. What else do you want, Mr. Rowley? You exited the Civil War. 8-piece, 3-pack. It was inside of a
Hey, well, I'm sorry,
I'll go put it in the trunk. I gotta put it in the trunk.
Yeah, stab me with that.
Oh, what a cool setup. What a magnificent display you have here.
Thank you.
Did you do this all by yourself?
He did, actually. He's coming down.
You gotta be kidding. This looks like something a woman would do. It's very well done.
He's good at doing that.
Boy, I haven't seen those damn things in so long.
Oh, you know, that's about. That's why I signed up for. I took the test to see my test score and everything. I took the test for this. You know. I'm sorry. Because if you wanna re-up, we'll do it. No. I joined to get an education.
Right. That's poor. That sticks. That does.
But in hindsight, I should have re-upped. I should have, because you know what? I did construction, and it destroyed my body.
He got lucky. He was out, and within 6 months, he was an active officer, police officer. So
Yeah,
that's
well,
and a lot of others tried that, and they didn't. There wasn't a lot of openings, or you couldn't get into the academy, or couldn't get through the academy.
Right, for intelligence, you got to be an officer. You got to go to
Yeah, he had good wits about him.
You mind if I ask what the pigeons are going for?
The paper?
Pigeons.
Oh, pigeons. Yes, you can.
I'm sorry, I don't speak very loud.
I can't hear very well. How?
That's a good combination. Now I gotta scream.
All right, give me one moment.
I can't believe I never saw a Robinson Crusoe in person. This is a legitimate.
Oh, really?
That's unbelievable. That was, I mean, back in the 90s, that was like a holy grail.
Yeah,
That one in Santa Claus.
I had some. These are the rare ones. Right here.
Oh, wow. Gotta get out of the light.
I have it here. I just have to.
Well,
find
take your time. I was just asking out of sheer curiosity.
I know I'm coming up to this.
A unicorn. I have a different unicorn. It's a class.
Oh, yeah. Which one do you
The
have?
later one. I think it was a class 4 or 5.
That's a good pack. The unicorn. Am I passing it over? What else is in there, Selena?
Got Jet, Apollo,
Oh, it's got the Apollo. It's got the.
Black Bat. I think it's Golden Bat. I can't read without my glasses from this
Okay,
far.
all right.
Yeah, you got the magnifying glass too.
Yeah. Okay.
Black Fury I got, but mine was a box lid. I never get it there.
It comes from Taiwan.
It was gifted to me in the 80s, so. Bango Martian.
Okay.
Yep.
Go to 60. Go through the
60? I'm gonna go out to my car. Maybe I got something worth trading. Or maybe I got something you need. I'll be back.
Yes.
I'm nervous to get into prices.
How much I got for the swallow?
Super big pig. Iwo Jima Swap.
It's all tagged up. I'll be back.
That's a beautiful collection.
I made this.
You're a very talented individual. Are they all live?
What's that?
Are they live?
Yeah, but they're not anything crazy.
Right. Just
I just took the wraps, back wraps, and then rewrapped them to make it
They look beautiful.
Thank you.
You did a nice job. It's very artistic. You hang that in your home?
You can, wherever you want. Somebody just bought one. I had a different one.
Oh, you sell these?
Yeah, I make them and I sell them.
Ah, I gotta get your card on the way back around.
I'll give it to you right now. Yeah. Hold on.
I got a friend would love to have this in his office. What do you get for one of these? I'm gonna show it to him. He's got money to blow.
Yeah, tell him.
You near here?
No, I'm on Long Island.
Oh, we're in New Rochelle.
Okay, I
So-
ship out. I ship.
I could come and pick it up. It's only $18 for the bridge, right?
No, I'll send it to you.
You could ship it? Won't that get damaged like that?
Wrap it. Yeah, it's fine.
I'll let him know.
What, you talking about these guys?
I believe that they're daisies, correct?
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, I got the same problem. I think I got something somewhere, and I'm like, wait, that's not what I'm looking for. Where did that go? And
Say, brother, is there any way you could move that over so I could showcase this? That's beautiful. You laid that out yourself?
I'm sorry?
Did you lay this out
No, I
yourself?
found that.
You found it like
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
Oh man, you must have friggin' shipped bricks when you found that.
Well, it's like secondhand. So there's a guy in my town that cleans out houses,
Oh,
and he knew that I collect this stuff. One of the guy's house that he was cleaning was an old antique collector of all different kinds of stuff. You know, the guy had like an old dentist chair from like the 20s, that kind of
right,
thing.
ridiculous
Just
thing.
all this stuff, and this was on his wall. You know?
Wow.
Yeah.
You're not looking apart with it, are you?
I am.
You're out of your mind. I would keep this under. I would keep this under my pillow.
You know, it's just. I had
beautiful.
It, and I looked at it so much, and I'm just like,
It's time to
I just don't know
go.
where it's gonna go. I just don't know where it's gonna go.
You know what it is though? They're priceless. You can't really determine what the value of something like that is.
This guy really caps in the background and shit. You know what I mean? Like it's funny. The guy really put.
Yeah, I mean, look at all the
into it.
detail that's in there.
Yeah.
I wish the lighting in this joint was better, but these are the sacrifices we make. I got a friend looking for spit devil boxes. So if you ever come across,
Devil boxes.
yeah,
you scrape them on your foot.
devil on a walk.
There's a box on
It's-
eBay right now, Sputtering Devils.
Yeah.
Sputtering
I was
devils?
gonna say.
Yeah.
Is that the same thing?
That's
More or
a
less,
version
it's
with no phosphorus.
Yeah, that's.
You know.
I was gonna say.
Yeah.
I think I.
She makes her own, but she wants a box just because she's good at it and she wants to
Yeah, same
showcase
here.
it.
I remember my great grandmother telling me about them when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That's cool. Cool grandma.
I have a very knowledgeable. That's very cool.
Yeah, the
Look
train.
at that.
Isn't cool?
I might grab that. Affordable. American Bear. I wonder if I saved one of these packs. Hang on, these. Oh, you got candy bars?
I got candy bars.
How much are they?
These are 10. These I'm probably thinking I'm gonna go 30. These are a little bit more uncommon. The Thunder Bomb.
I'd love to own a Thunder Bomb candy bar. Nice. Just a candy bar. The only candy bars I have, I think, are like Lady Fingers.
Yeah.
Probably have these. Let's see now. What else is this? I remember having some of this Magic Whips. Yeah.
What? Did you want one? Yeah. Did you want one of these guys, or you just?
Until I get at least to the end of these tables, and then I'll come back and go on a spending spree.
Alright. I think I'm just gonna grab this stuff.
Sure. So we'll call it 135 right now.
Yeah. Oh, very cool. Baby peacock rockets. I think I saw these in the 70s. I'm recording things that I've never seen before. These I've seen. This is very cool.
The Star brand box over there, but I got one of them already.
It's gonna be a fountain, right? Who made this? Unknown brand.
How you doing with these?
Whistling moon. Travelers. I've never seen Red and report very rare. Oh wow.
Yeah, nothing that I'm like.
Gotta make something.
Yeah. Never seen this before. Rambo kids.
I just grabbed a couple of things that I really wanted. Yeah. Nobody's asking for the help.
I know. I actually don't believe it.
Can you read what that says by any chance? It's so dark in here.
It says 2100.
Okay.
2005.
Yep. Thank you so much. Remember seeing glimpses of these in the 70s, and I never saw them again. And I was only like 7 or 8 years old, so it's like seeing a unicorn again, you know? A salute bag. Wow. Oh, that's very cool. Oh boy. Look how cute these are. Look at this. Oh my Silver salutes. These were called ash cans in my neighborhood. Big time. They look like they're from the 60s.
How you guys doing?
I'm admiring all your products here, man. They call these ash cans in my neighborhood.
Shooters, in case you guys are looking.
Always. I'm trying to make it to the end of these friggin' tables with the camera before I shop, and it's impossible to get down. I had to go and get batteries halfway through. Yeah.
These are from the 1930s.
Oh, let me I gotta show her that. Really?
Yep.
May I see it?
That box is like brand new.
I've got one at my house. It's wrapped in all kinds of napkins. What are these wrapped in to keep them from jarring?
Saw chips.
There's saw chips in there?
Yes.
Have you opened this? before? Or you
I
don't
have.
you don't frequently open it because you don't want to wear out the box?
Yeah, I don't want to wear the box
I
out,
understand.
but it's full and it's brand new.
They're all silver.
This is how brand new it is. There's the case.
Oh my God. Where the hell did you... Is there a story behind it?
No, not really. Just
No?
a lucky find. I just I got a full case of Kent cherry bombs too, 1961 date coded. I sold 19. This is the last half gross I have out of that case.
What part of the country are you from?
Michigan.
Michigan.
Yes.
I know guys in the Michigan Club, if you're part of that, the Pyrotechnics Club.
I know somebody involved. I have other businesses, so
This
you know,
is,
this is more of a passion.
Understandable.
Let me know.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a quick pee. I'll be back.
It's cheap.
Ooh, very cool. Look, did you see this, brother?
Yep.
This is sweet.
Miller's fireworks.
Whoever thought they would come up with something like that?
What's up, young man? I'm good. How are you? Dave. Okay. So many names today. You did real good at advertising. Yeah.
Wow.
What are they doing?
Ooh, look at this.
Yeah, I'm going in.